2, 3, do it!
Get out of the way. I'm trying to capture the race truck. Yo, this tire's like gum. It's so sticky. You can hear it. Damn, boy, I almost wasted my whole tire. I need to go easy on the burnout. Well, that's gonna take a lot of scrubbing. Where's she at? I'm gonna throw this at her. Ah, dang it.
Excuse me? Here, let me
See yours.
roll it real quick.
Where's your rubber at?
Oh, girl, don't show
Oh,
that.
dang. Okay. Dang, you still got like short little tire left. Oh my god. Kill the clip.
Oh, man, we're trying to record a YouTube video. Make sure to be quiet. YouTube, y'all ready to hear that loud ass fucking cab? Wait for it.
That E85 problem. 85. Calm down. Ashes, get out of the way. You're gonna. Your ears. Where you going? You going in there? She don't even know. She's just parking.
Fucking Ashes.
Watch your toes.
I got steel toe.
Damn, man, he's strong as fuck.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I want to have kids.
We got 2 more.
Hey, I don't recommend this place. They fight a lot. I want them bad as well. I don't want no shitty work.
What's up, plum? Yeah.
Damn.
Touch it. Touch it with your tongue.
How?
By what? By the pony?
There's a pony and then there's a horse.
These ever straight?
Huh?
They don't straight because he's not that low, right?
Nah.
Why don't you just cut those off with one of them on there? Why don't you just cut off the Rachel ones about these?
No.
Hey, don't do that. What are you doing? Yeah. Is that talk about that customer service, right? Yeah.
Which is better? Yours now?
That one.
Really?
They're still by the same. Grab it more? Okay. Copyright.
Oh yeah. Damn. I'd be forgetting about that.
Dang, you're just becoming more racetrack.
I know,
A
like,
day,
after one day. After one fucking day.
Damn. After the day of the dragster, you're just getting mods now, right? What's
yeah,
next,
right now
Cam?
we're currently gonna go to Summit. We're gonna go get
What?
my nitrous kit.
Oh, damn.
Because, you know, my husband dragged my ass yesterday. I can't let that shit happen again. Embarrassing. It's still early.
It's like one.
Okay. Oh. C-notch coming through next.
Yeah. See, not coming soon.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Stay tuned for that video. I don't know if y'all heard that, but
Yeah.
if y'all didn't,
Oh.
it kind of hit.
Pretty loud.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all heard it. Yeah, better watch out. Don't catch your lane with number 2.